This is a new 2014 Ford Fiesta, powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, satellite radio, digital audio input, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, automatic climate control. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Sunrise Ford of North Hollywood is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5500 Lankershim Boulevard, North Hollywood, California, 91601.